In this video, I will show you how to stake CRO on crypto.com. To do this, you want to go and open up crypto.com and first go to accounts in the bottom. Now what you want to do is just scroll down until you see Earn Wallet and just click on the drop down and click on staking. Now from there, go and click on Discover, and here you just want to select Kronos. And then here you can choose how much you want to stake. So you can also select a certain percentage of how much you own. If you don't own any Kronos yet, you can just go and buy some in order to stake it. You can see the activation date as well as the first reward and the unbundling period. Now you need to read and agree with the terms and conditions and privacy notice. And from there you can click confirm stake, then enter your passcode. And after doing that, you will now see your staking request for CRO is being processed, and now I will be staking CRO, which you can then see in your portfolio. So now you know how to stake CRO on crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.